Morning guys, how you doing? Today we're gonna start our next project. We're gonna start the next painting, and I'm gonna show you what I do. A lot of ideas that I was running through. I actually wanted to set this canvas on fire just to give it extra texture, part of Project Badass. But I don't know, I'm kind of playing with it, so playing with the idea, give it that extra emotion. We'll see, we're playing with the idea. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Normally when I show you guys my creative process, I normally just do a lot of freestyle stuff. So today what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do a sketch and kind of map out the painting ahead of time, like kind of draw out the layout on paper, you know, with the pen, and then just kind of like foresee it. But I am gonna use this color. I'm gonna use these colors right here, and they're gonna be light. So I'm gonna build on the character right here, and then I'm gonna add an accent right here. I could kind of see it in my head, but I'd rather just draw it out first. So I'm gonna try something different. This is a new method for me. Normally I just paint as I go, and I see images and pictures, and I kind of just do my thing. So this is gonna be a little different. So hopefully you guys like this video. You guys have a good one. Like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. And for that, I'm gonna show you this funny clip of the Three Stooges. Peace.
Oh! Get out of my way. Put that chisel up, kid. Oh! Oh! I don't know what. Oh! Hey! Oh! Oh! What's wrong with you? Get busy!
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Some of that purple kind of bleed into the hair. So I'm not necessarily saying I'm going to use this image, but I just like the nebula effect, so I'll probably end up using that. And then I'm just going to start erasing. Just erasing a little bit, you know, happy little trees. And then right here, I'll probably just keep this the way it is. Then I'll come here and just start cleaning it up. And then see how the black right here is not blended? So we're gonna go here and hit the black. And we're gonna kind of just erase a little bit. Just kind of have a little tree. And then just kind of erase a little bit in there. Paintbrush. I'm gonna choose the brush. I'm gonna go to sketching, not sketching. Script. Probably make it smaller. Something like that, where she's kind of looking down to you. Might do like a pattern, like a stripe. Alright, so I'm not liking the paint spatter right here. I feel like it's too busy. It takes away from her. So I'm gonna start erasing it. I'm gonna go here, layers. I'm just gonna hide the layers, that's fine. So, and then I start kind of playing with it. And then, so right here, let's see. So I'm gonna do something here. I'm gonna go to white. So right here, I'm gonna just draw. Actually, I gotta bring it up. White. Just so I could put stars, a little more stars. And you're just gonna put them all over the place. And feel free to make it your own. Sometimes I'll look online and I'll find like a perspective, and I'll use that perspective, and then I'll completely change it up and render it like it looks nowhere near that. I just use it as use that perspective, as far as like a guide, and then I just color it completely different. And then and then you can have do little sparkles. Same thing. And then did like some of the comments breaking up. Just have fun with it. And then let's just say I want to add another layer, and now I want to get more intricate with the piece. And then now I'm gonna I'm probably gonna go over it. Okay, black, boom. Is like I just like that like flat black. So right here, oops, too big. Go back. And then kind of just plug it in. And then you kind of show a transition between this and that. And let's see, let's get a background. Vibing, like, let's see what color. Actually, we gotta make a new layer. I think this layer is gonna have to go, because since it's gonna be in the background, it's gonna have to go all the way down. And we're gonna do not red. Let's see what other colors we could find. Orange, green. I feel like a cool blue. And then we could do this, a little secret. And then I'll do this. You can erase all that, since we're not ready to do the face just yet. And then let's see. So there is a section on the painting that I want to do. So I'm gonna go back to this, turn that white, and it's gonna go here. I'll keep this as a surprise. Here's a quick little time lapse. So far, I think I'm gonna go with something like this. It's not gonna be the final rendering, but it'll be close, because I'm still gonna add a few accents around it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So hope you guys like this little quick video, and you guys have a great day, and hang in for the next one. Things might get a little crazy with these paintings, just saying. So you guys have a good day. Peace. Heads up, if any of you guys want some of these stickers, they are on my website, arinkbombers.com. I'll put the link in the description. Check it out. Free shipping, domestic, international, it's a little extra, but not too bad.